URS Media Consulting and Asia One Magazine. A very warm good evening to this August gathering. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Sangeeta Singh, your host for this prestigious evening. And for me, I feel completely elated to be back here on these wonderful, prestigious, wonderful evenings, and of course with the URS Media family. And yes, on behalf of the entire URS Media Consulting and Asia One family, it gives me immense pleasure to extend a warm and hearty welcome to all our honorable ministers, guests of honor, our dignitaries, and of course our award participants who've joined us here from across India and GCC nations. Thank you so much for gracing this wonderful evening with your kind presence.
So much. Sangeeta has been hosting some of our summits in Mumbai, Dubai, and Singapore. Ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome to all of you. It's a pleasure to see so many of you here. And, it's the strength that we see that keeps us going. And, this is our 5th year in Mumbai, and it's in continuation for the award. I actually live in the UAE, and he doesn't know me, but they say, everyone knows Amitabh Bachchan of the UAE, and he's one of those. And one of the most prominent agencies from so many different countries, the Council Generals from so many different countries. Our heart, the Asia One family and the URS own the Asia's Greatest Brands and Leaders, which is held in Singapore every year. And the World's Greatest Brands and Leaders, Asia G, mobile apps and television as well. And Asia One wants to make, where through these development, and I wish all of you to please request to stay back as long as you can.
Body of work happening across the brands with our wonderful leaders in Asia. So I think that surely calls for yet another round of... All of this get started.
1 hour. Because we were both dreamers.
Announcing Chairman Darwin Platform Group of Companies as the winner of Global Indian of the Year 2018-19 and Young Indian Entrepreneur Award. Heartiest congratulations. Heartiest congratulations. And up next, we'd like to invite Dr. Hema Devagar, Chairperson, Artist, as the winner of Bharatiya Mahatma Vikas Puraskar Award 2018-19. Sir.
Okay, ma'am.
So let's hear it, ladies and gentlemen, for Dr. Hema Devagar, Chairperson.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, closer. Come close.
Dr. Hema Devagar, Chairperson, Artist, and the winner of Bharatiya Mahatma Vikas Puraskar 2018-19. Congratulations.
Migration, we help with maintaining resources, we do managed services, we help customers implement newer cloud services.
So customer satisfaction rate stands at 97.5%.
Committed to Made in India.
Let's welcome here. Up next, let me welcome Mrs. Rosie Singla, Chairperson, Rovers Landmark Project. Gentlemen, for Mrs. Rosie Singla. let's give it up for Mr. Bandwal Ramesh Baliga, CEO, Watertech India, as the winner of Global Indian of the Year 2018-19 and India's Greatest Growing Brands 2018-19. We request Mr. Ruchi Nandaja, Head Marketing and Appliances, and Ms. Sonam Srivastava to please kindly come up on stage to receive the award. Congratulations, sir.
दुबई में हमने इधर भी एक बियर सिटी है हमारी
Harinath Singh of Darwin Platform. First of all, welcome sir, good evening and a big congratulations on winning not one but 2 awards. How do you feel?
I'm honored and very happy. I'm speechless.
We are a very happy winner.
Yeah, very happy.
If you could tell us a little bit about your brand, what would you say?
We have everything under one umbrella. You can say we have everything. We are 19 companies, 19 publicly limited companies, so we are working on all the sectors. There's nothing I can say that I'm into one. Cater for all the directions.
So you seem to have a very wholesome kind of brand.
Yes. So we do infrastructure, airlines, logistics, arms and ammunition. That's the main division.
Okay.
We're doing good.
Thank you so much. You're doing excellent. You've just won 2 awards. 3 awards. Oh my goodness, this is lovely. Your hands are full, but one last question before I let you go. If you were to give a message to my entire team here at Asia One, what would you say?
Feed your focus.
Agree.
That's it. Feed your focus. If you're not focused, you're not winning anything.
Agree.
I keep on feeding my focus everything. That's what I can say.
Thank you, sir. I think you've given us a very inspirational message. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
हाँ मैं आगे बढ़ सर आप थोड़ा ये बात
Sir,
आप शॉर्ट हैं
sir, please. Yes.
और यह मैम वेट
Yes, Lubian.
थैंक यू
Despite delays, ladies and gentlemen, he is here with us alongside his 2 lovely daughters. Please get our hands together as we'd like to welcome up here on stage Dr. Jadapalli Narayana.
I believe in this country, so I think I'm still here and trying to run what I do.